Are you struggling with dull and tired skin? Do you want a revitalized, glowing complexion? Look no further. Introducing our 3 mineral steps skincare routine. This unique regimen combines the power of Dead Sea minerals and botanicals to transform your skin. Step 1. Our alcohol-free mineral toner refreshes and regenerates your skin. It's packed with pro-vitamin B5, chamomile, and other natural extracts. Step 2. Our facial wash refreshing gel deeply cleanses without stripping your skin. It retains moisture while promoting cell rejuvenation. Step 3. The facial moisturizing cream fights fine lines and keeps your skin hydrated all day. With vegetable collagen and aloe vera, it enhances your skin's smoothness. What makes our products stand out? They are infused with rich Dead Sea minerals, known for their therapeutic benefits, ensuring your skin remains healthy and radiant. Don't wait to experience the skincare revolution. Order now and rejuvenate your skin with our 3 mineral steps. Click the link below and transform your retin today.